Welcome. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue many Facebook users face: app cache problems. If you notice that your Facebook app is acting sluggish, crashing, or consuming excess battery or storage, force stopping the application can help you clear up some of these too frequent glitches. Now, let's dive right into the simple steps on how to force stop the Facebook application on your smartphone. It's a quick and easy process. Step 1. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you can manage various functions of your device. Step 2. Next, tap on Apps or Applications. Keep in mind that the name might vary slightly depending on your device model, but you'll get to the right section. Step 3. Now scroll through your list of apps to find and select Facebook. It's generally listed alphabetically, so it shouldn't take long to locate. Step 4. Finally, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner of your screen. This action will stop the app and clear its current cache, refreshing your experience. And that's it. Simple, right? By following these 4 easy steps, you can quickly force stop the Facebook application and address any unwanted issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.